Hello everyone. Today we are doing a magic powder, it's a special powder. It will go with everything. Believe me, it works like a magic. Even some manufacture company do a magic powder or something they can add to everything, right? So in that packet, what they add is they add preservatives, other ingredients that is not good for our body. And please don't buy those. You can only make a healthier version of this magic powder masala, and it works for everything. You can add it for everything, anything. So let's do this one, magic powder. So for this magic powder, the main ingredient is the peanuts. So I have taken here 2 cups of peanuts and 8 curry leaves strings and green chili. Instead of green chili, you can buy the red one because of the color. It gives a nice color. So if you have a red chili, not dried one, we have to make dry. Okay, I was having only 2 3. I have kept that in oven directly. You can keep all together. So I'm here taken like one lemon size of tamarind. I'm adding that also in the oven. Just keep all together and we had to roast it. You can see how much time it takes to roast the peanuts. That much time and heat you can keep it. Approximately, I have kept like 200 degrees Celsius and around 10 minutes, or like if it is more, you can just increase. Okay, see, I think it's done. Everything is roasted, even the chilies. Can you see it's roasted? If you take the red one, that will be nice. I'm not using a red, like dry chili. That's not good for health, so I'm using like this. And I'm taken here a jeera. You can add when you switch off the oven. That time itself, you can add in the oven. We should not dry roast this more, only to warm up, so only little bit. So we have switched off, right? So only to heat up the jeera, cumin seeds. So that's why I'm making it separate, because it will burn if I add there. It will roast fast. So what is the ingredients I have taken here? The curry leaves like 7 or 6, like a little vary. You can take how much you want. Lemon size tamarind and 6 to 8, or according to your spice level you can add some more chilies, and salt according to taste. I'm here adding hing. You can take that as a photoria. So you can add that a little, like 1/8 teaspoon or quarter teaspoon is fine. So we have to grind this fast. These are the masalas we are adding to the peanuts. Let's first grind these ingredients: hing, curry leaves, tamarind, jeera. So salt, everything. Just grind these dry ingredients. Okay, without adding peanuts, just add this. We have to make this powder properly. That's why. So grind this into smooth powder. How much is possible? That much. See now. It's smooth powder, like how this much is possible for me. Now we have to add here jaggery. Sweet we didn't add, right? Because jaggery has a moisture. That's why I will add now to grind. So add peanut. Half of the peanut I'm using now, and just grind this. Remaining we will do one more time. So even grinding also, how it should be, like it should not like continuously, don't grind it. Little by little grind and just mix with a spoon or with hand. And then you have to make this as a coarse powder, not fine powder, not more thickness one. So it should be medium coarse ground. So this much is enough. See, can you see the texture? If you don't make it powder, it should be like this. And the color will be this green. In South India we do this powder, but we will add this red chili, dry red chili. I have used the green one, right? Only 2 3 was there red one, so that's why it didn't, color is not red. That's it. Now add remaining peanuts. Again I'm adding 1 more tablespoon of jaggery here. So it's optional. We like to eat a little more sweeter, so we use to add more sweet to this. but it's optional. You can use only 1 tablespoon of jaggery. If you like the sweetness, then you can add 1 more tablespoon, means 2 tablespoon I have added. You can use only 1 tablespoon. So jaggery and remaining peanuts, just grind it and add both together, mix it, and you have to mix properly. Then that's it. Actually, in South India, we make this powder. We call it as peanut chutney powder. But what happens is in that they will add garlic and dry red chili. Those things, some other ingredients, those are not good for our health. That's why I'm eliminating those things and adding some more other ingredients to make that taste the same, exact same, but adding only healthy items. Now the powder is ready, and the powder, like, we can eat it like that. It's so tasty and delicious. So you can use this powder for everything, for chat or any curry. Instead of some masala powder, you can use this powder. It's very delicious. Wow, super. And my mom specially made this for you all. She is so sweet, and with her lot of love she made this. And let's see what she say about this dish, how it came out. You can hear by her words.
ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್, ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
Okay, with that powder, how I will show you two more method how can we use that powder. See, this is lady finger I have taken. You have to cut into slice, like only one side, and open this like this wider and fill that powder. See, I have kept this powder in a glass jar. You can store like that, and fill all this peanut powder, magic powder, fill that in every lady finger. And just we have to cook this, means like how we cook like idli and all, like that we have to cook. Steamer, you can use steamer also. That also you can use and cook for only 2 minutes or 3 minutes is enough, I guess. If you want to be so soft, you can use it for keep it for 4 minutes also. So that's it. Cook on idli maker in that or a steamer. That's it. It's very delicious. The taste of peanut and that chat. It became like ladyfinger chat. It's very nice. I didn't do any decoration. You can decorate it with adding some more peanuts or coriander leaves or like nuts. Also, you can sprinkle on that, and lemon also you can add little bit. See, it's beautiful, right? One more chat I will show you. You can slice the tomatoes or cucumber. On that you have to sprinkle this magic powder. Then just add cilantro. Means dhania patta. So you can add that one. So I have given this to a one potluck. I have taken there, and all people liked it. Magic powder.
मैजिक अपना मैजिक दिखा.
You can try this also. Actually, I didn't add anything, just a tomato, just a cucumber, but the powder only gives magic. Yeah, doing magic.
अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा.
For
Thank you.
traveling,
Did you like it?
So since there are two yoga professionals, let me provoke them and maybe other people interested in it. These are the places where people who like yoga come.
Peanut powder. That is only magic powder. So we can add it for any curries and all instead of masala powder. Yeah. Thank you. It's a peanut powder. So peanut powder, but it enhance whatever you put. You can put on that. So
It's an amazing snack idea.
Yeah.
Before it gets stolen, I request you to get it patented. If you don't do it by the evening, I'll get it patented.
Yeah. Sure. Okay.
अच्छा नहीं लगेगा ना रेस्टोरेंट में जाके अपना ही
या वैसे भी हमको ही मिले.
एविडेंस बेस्ड.
Okay, guys, so you saw this how to make this magic powder with in a healthier version, and it's very tasty. You just try this out and let me know also how it turned out. I like the taste, everybody loved it, and I'm waiting for your response how it is the taste. So try making this and let me know. So thank you for watching, thank you for sharing, thank you for liking my videos. Please keep watching my videos, and say there are many videos which I have posted in earlier also. Please go and visit there if you have not seen, and try those all. Everything is nice, try it. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. See you in the next video. Namaste.